How to create and use Spotify Jam so you and your friends can listen to music together in real time. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Spotify. Keep in mind that you need Spotify Premium to host a Jam, but free user can still join and participate. So, once you open it up, log into your account. Once logged in, play any song and then simply tap on this three dot icon. Inside here, you will be able to find an option that says Start a Jam, and just like that, tap onto it and then create your session. Now, you can invite your friends by sharing the link or letting them scan the QR code directly from your phone. Once they join, everyone in the jam can add songs to the shared queue and the music will update live for all participants. You can manage the queue, remove songs, and continue listening together just like a group playlist session. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.